This ain't no sugar coated love.
Okay guys, so this drink is actually pretty specific in its ingredients and you can't really substitute anything. So the first thing you need is some white grape juice, and then the second ingredient is some organic unsweetened coconut milk. You really want to make sure you get the unsweetened kind, or else this drink will be just way too sweet. So for the strawberries in the drink, Starbucks actually uses some freeze-dried strawberries, and I just found mine at Trader Joe's, and this is a necessary ingredient. And then the secret ingredient in this recipe is Crystal Light Strawberry. It seems a little obvious, but actually gives it the pink drink flavor. And then I'm going to make this drink in my reusable venti Starbucks cup, so all the measurements I'm going to be giving are for a venti drink. So I filled my cup halfway with some ice, and now I'm just sprinkling in some freeze-dried strawberries, and then I'm going to pour the white grape juice up to the first line, and then I'm going to pour water up to the third line. So now I'm going to take one of the Crystal Light Strawberry packets and then pour it into a measuring cup, and then after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of coconut milk, and then whisk that until the powder is completely dissolved. So after I've whisked that, I can go ahead and add 1 cup of coconut milk, and then whisk that one more time until everything is combined. So now you can go ahead and pour the coconut milk mixture into your cup, and then I just topped off the drink with a little more coconut milk, and then you can go ahead and pop the lid and the straw in, and then just use the straw to mix the drink together. And that's pretty much it. That's how you make a Starbucks pink drink at home. I've tried a lot of recipes, and this is the absolute closest one, so you guys have to try it for yourself, and let me know how it turns out in the comment section down below. Bye!